Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of fleet management with a review of Motiv, formerly known as Keep Truckin'. Let's see if this platform is a valuable entry into the fleet management market. Motiv is a well-established player in the fleet management market, with over 120,000 customers, ranging from small businesses to Fortune 500 companies. Their recent name change reflects their goal to expand beyond the trucking industry, offering services to sectors like agriculture, energy, and field service. With their comprehensive platform, Motiv helps businesses efficiently manage their vehicle fleets with a strong feature set. Let's take a look at some of its key offerings. Motiv's fleet management system uses GPS technology to track and monitor vehicle locations in real time. This feature enables businesses to optimize routes, gain a clear overview of their fleet's movements, and improve overall efficiency. Ensuring vehicles are properly maintained is crucial for fleet operations. Motiv offers tools to track and manage vehicle maintenance schedules, reducing the risk of breakdowns and maximizing vehicle lifespan. Effective fuel management is vital to cut costs. Motiv's system helps monitor fuel consumption, identify inefficient driving patterns, and detect fuel theft or unauthorized usage, resulting in reduced fuel costs and improved efficiency. To encourage safe driving, Motiv's system incorporates driver behavior monitoring. It provides insights into speeding, harsh braking, and aggressive acceleration, helping businesses enhance safety and reduce accidents. Optimizing routes is essential for fleet efficiency. Motiv's platform analyzes traffic patterns and road conditions to suggest the most efficient routes, minimizing fuel consumption and travel time. Motiv's system can integrate with a vehicle's onboard diagnostics to monitor health and performance. This allows businesses to proactively identify maintenance issues and avoid costly breakdowns. Motiv provides robust reporting and analytics tools, enabling businesses to generate customized reports and analyze fleet performance metrics. Data-driven decision-making optimizes fleet operations and increases productivity. Motiv's system can integrate with other business software, streamlining operations and improving data accuracy. Plus, its scalability allows easy adaptation to changing fleet sizes and requirements. While Motiv offers a strong feature set, it's essential to mention some concerns. The company has an overall C rating with the Better Business Bureau, with customer complaints and low accreditation. We also wish for more upfront pricing information. To wrap it up, Motiv is a valuable entry into the fleet management market, catering to a wide range of businesses with its comprehensive platform. However, it's crucial to consider customer reviews and accreditation when making a decision. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments below if you've used Motiv or if you have any questions. Until next time, drive safe and efficient.